Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Jamaica won the CARIFTA Track and Field Championships for a 33rd straight time today in Curacao, amassing a total of 83 medals. The medal haul, which comprises 37 gold, 28 silver and 18 bronze, is 3 less than the 86 from 2016. The Corey Bennett coached team added 14 gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze in the 55 from Sunday's second day of competition. Led by Brittany Anderson in the under-18 section, Jamaica swept all 4 hurdles races. Anderson set a championship record of 13.16 seconds to win, with Desiree Freeman taking the silver in 13.39. Dejo Russell was also impressive in winning the under-18 boys sprint hurdles in a wind-aided 13.19 seconds ahead of teammate Jeremy Farr, 13.71 for bronze. Now, the nation also won 2 of the 4 200-meter titles on offer. Michelle Harriott sped to 23.73 seconds to win the under-18 girls event before Michael Stevens produced 21.30 to win the under-18 boys equivalent ahead of compatriot Xavier Nairn 21.58 for bronze. In the 800 meters, Jamaica copped 3 of 4 gold medals on offer. Seymour Donald with 2 minutes 11.28 seconds and Shaquina Foote with 2 minutes 13.44 were first and second in the under-18 girls event. Chrisani May won the under-20 girls race in 2 minutes 12.43, while Cara Grant took bronze. On the boys' side, Kimar Farquharson left it late to take gold in the under-18 equivalent in a minute 54.65 seconds ahead of compatriot Tyrese Reed 1 minute 54.79. Jamaica won the under-18 girls and under-20 girls mile relay events, while the under-20 boys had to settle for silver despite Christopher Taylor closing close to a 50-meter deficit. In the field, Kevin Nedrick won gold in the under-20 boys shot put in 19.29 meters, with Kyle Mitchell taking silver with 18.72.